Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best running water bottles you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many running water bottles and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each running water bottles, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying running water bottles. The first thing to look for is comfort and fit. A good running bottle should be easy to hold, lightweight, and shaped to fit your hand naturally. Next, check the capacity and portability. Choose a size that balances your hydration needs without adding unnecessary weight. Some runners prefer handheld bottles, while others like waist or vest-style bottles for longer runs. Material quality is also important. Go for BPA-free, durable, and leak-proof bottles that are easy to clean. Consider the nozzle design as well. It should allow quick sips without slowing you down. Finally, think about extras like storage pockets or reflective details for safety. The right bottle can make your run more enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.